We kind of fundamentally believe that ethical science, right, is better science. And the reason why it's better science is those types of questions force you to engage more. Well, this is the data I've got. Forces you to engage more, forces you to understand how to collect the data, why there are structures to get the data. It helps you involved in the patient's lives. It helps you understand the systems that have that data in a real practical sense, which means you probably build a better solution, right? A better solution, right, we fundamentally will win out in the market. It's probably more robust as well from a machine learning perspective, and it can be used more. So it is fundamentally comes down to trust, right? Making an attempt to build the best thing you can for everybody. And in the process of doing that, you engage more people. You also get a flywheel effect, right? You're solving problems, maybe understanding why people don't come into trial. Maybe you can fix something to get the data that now there are more people in trials, and we actually can come up with better medicines, right? More representation. So there is a flywheel effect of doing that properly. For us, it's not, as Russ was talking about sprinkling ethics about it, it's not about having the ethics police, right? So too often you see people trying to bring ethicists in on top of the team as a regulatory thing or something else coming after the fact or things like that. You can't do it like it has to be done at the same time, right? So you have to think very carefully about the ethical culture you create within machine learning people. And that's something we're very keen to have, right, is the right kind of people. So this is why we have responsible AI people and a VP of ethics and policy around these things, because policy and ethics are actually kind of intertwined, right? That's why we have regulators, right? What are the regulators doing, right? They're actually enforcing a lot of the principles that Russ actually stated earlier, right? That's why we have regulators in society and things like that. So there's a constant dialogue between that. And I think that's something we've thought very carefully about. And so they're a fully fledged part of the team, but they're also technical people as well. And that's a very key thing